sake, what is going off? Did you? What, with your pedal or? Alright everyone, I'm just going to make my way up to Watchwood Plantation again, waiting for my mate, just waiting for him to come out of his house, load up his bike and whatnot. Feeling a bit hungover today. I've had a heavy weekend, so God knows what I'm going to be like when I'm on them trails, but we'll see. Hopefully I keep it down, we'll see. One of the other things that I've been looking at though, you know, is electric mountain bikes. So I've been doing a lot of research into this, and if I get one, which is looking likely, I'm going to go for the full sus. So it'll mean a channel name change. So I've already got some ideas for that, but I don't know if the people who are following me are following me because of the content I'm creating, or just because it's I'm riding a hardtail, or is it for the scout. So let me know your thoughts on that. Let me know, the people who are watching, what you ride, if you're riding hardtails, if you're riding full sussers, or what, and the reason you decided to subscribe, man. Let me know in them comments. Anyway, peace, see you on the trails. Still can't get around that tree, man. So it's dusty out today, real dusty. Need some rain. The dust is in my eyes. Oh man, my hungover self isn't even jumping, I'm just rolling stuff. I did the first jump, but then kind of bottled, not even bottled. My brain's just not switched on, so I kind of just rolled over. Feeling hungover as well. It's tough riding that. Talking about e-bikes again as well. I want to get one, man. I do. Really want to get one. Help me with the cross-country shit. Going to a trail I've not done before, so we'll see what it's saying. So I usually swing myself up here, but then turn right, we're going to go straight on. So come on, just see what it's saying. Fucking narrow. Oh shit!
Liam's got a fucking long jump campus and you guys want to be out past that tree.
I was gonna say, you come off this with speed, you're fucking flying, aren't you?
I say they'll fucking pull you off and off and land past the tree.
I'd go straight into the tree, I know I would.
When you land, I say, because it's so steep, you just pick up speed and on braking bumps, you're like, and then there's another fucking jump.
It's gonna be raw on this. Size of that. Like I say, because of the steepness though, coming down there, you're getting some distance. You are getting distance. Still hungover, by the way. Just got heartburn, I was walking up there. Oh gosh, I need to stop drinking on weekends. Do more riding, less drinking. Ah, that's what you did. I didn't even see the fork before. I just followed it left. Realised you could go straight on. Nice little tabletop there. Man, that was tiring. I got alcohol sweats. Yeah, so the e-bikes I've been looking at are the Vitas. So I had the Mythique before, which obviously an e-bike, but it was full suspension from them and I loved it. But you get a lot for your money on them Vitus bikes. On the e-bikes, the Summit looks absolutely amazing. The spec you got on it is immense. I don't know if I'll go for the top model, the VRX. That's got the Zeb, RockShop Zeb Ultimate. One below it's like a grand less. You still got a Zeb, but it's the Zeb Select. Although I do like the colour of the VRX, but I don't think it's worth a grand. And I don't need anything like that. That's like massively overbiked for me. It's all good. It's all good. I think the cheapest one is 3.5 grand, maybe a bit more than that. But I think that has an X Fusion fork on. I don't know what they're meant to be like. Was it X Force? X Fusion? I can't even remember. Just gotta have some. I've got to think. It's a lot of money to chuck on a bike. I think I'll keep the hardtail as well. I wouldn't sell it. I'm pretty certain I wouldn't sell it. I have fun on this bike. But the guy who is here, Liam, you've seen him in one of the previous videos. He was out on that e-bike before. Today he's on his downhill bike. But I might wait until he comes out on his e-bike next time and just see what the benefits are for you climbing. See how much easier it is going uphill. Because you're seeing me at Cannock. That place broke me. Just the monkey trail. It absolutely broke me. So if I can make cross country fun and enjoyable and just hit the downs and e-bike it up to the top, and that's winning, because that's what this is all about, isn't it? It's about being out and having fun. So if I can make cross country enjoyable, surely it's worth it, right? That's just my way of justifying spending the money, by the way. Anyway, less than me chatting shit. Let's do some riding. I'm gonna go down there, hit the tabletop, see what it's saying. Fuck's sake, what is going off? I don't think jumping's for me, you know. Yeah, I'm definitely overthinking it. That's my problem. Yeah. Fucking. Oh, I smashed my shin on my pedal, man. Didn't even dare jump it that time. Mate, did they jump it? Holy shit! Fucking hell, that's not nice on that.
But one time I'm going to take these off because they're fully steamed up now. I'll get halfway and not be able to see. Do it.
Did you? What, were you pedal or?
Yeah, my pedal hit the stump.
Let me can grab your bike.
Oh, I hurt my toe, man. I was like, yo, I went the wrong way.
Absolute madness. I'm flying around the burn. And Liam's in a bush when OTB hit his foot or pedal onto a tree stump at the side. Just brought him to an instant halt, slammed into his bars and went over. So, my confidence on jumping's just gone a bit downhill. Again, my GoPro just makes everything look small. Actually, I don't know, I want to buy it, it's small. I'm just not good with the sensation of fucking in the air. me. This is rutty. Get off the brake and start rolling with it. Oh, fuck me, that's steep.
Oh, lovely. Oh, just roll. So you was in the air? Okay.
Dusty as fuck. What happened there, Brett? What happened? Did you
hit the tree?
Did you almost wipe out my bike?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I was catching up to it.
Bro, don't be crashing the fucking Scout. Have fun, mate. I'll see you at the bottom in about 5 minutes.
I need to be back.
Fucking took that, bro.
What do you think, Rich?
I love it.
Sick of it, mate.
It's nice. I do like your brakes as well, actually, you know.
Yeah.
Right, everyone. Battery went dead on the ride out again. I really do need to start taking my second battery with me, because that's twice that's happened now where I missed a bit of footage. Luckily, I was just on the last trail though, just doing that last one. I think it cut out quarter of the way down, so it's all good. Just got back home, got out of the shower. I did a pedal strike when I fell off, which you'll see in, well, you would have already seen in the video. But oh boy, did that sting when I got in the shower. Thanks for watching. Peace.